Hi there, this is Chris Alagar and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm drinking Red Horse Extra Strong Beer for real men, and I'm smoking Marlboro Red. So what are we waiting for? Let's get it on. My can opener is also Red Horse Extra Strong Beer. Okay, buksan na. Tigas. Three shots. Lakas ng hangin. Rock and roll. And snack is Martis Blue. And Marlboro Red. So if you like this video, please click on the subscription down below, notification bell, like this goddamn video. You're fucking amazing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.